Hey guys, it's your boy.
What's up, boy? It's a cool kid. That's it.
Okay guys, it's a very handsome day today. So we have a very fun day planned, you know. I'm gonna build Legos. Look. Oh, so handsome, am I wrong? Okay guys, as you can see, I have this thing. Woo! So handsome! Dude, what's that? Oh my god, what's that? Dude, what is that? Dude, okay. Oh my, what is that? What is that? Help me! Guys, I have no idea. No, I have an idea. Dude, it's a tornado. Dude, oh my god, okay guys. As you know, tornado sound not fun. Okay, guys, this is not clickbait, not planned. Okay, guys, what do we do? Dude, it's a freaking tornado. Guys, as you can see, there are many windows, so it is very sheltery. Okay, guys, many windows, not sad. Not sad, many windows. It's the tornado will like break the window like you know what to say. It will like come into my skull. You know what to say. Not to say. Guys, okay, the thing just stopped. So now we have to get into our shelter. But this is our shelter because there's many windows. Windows are good for tornado, you know what to say. Okay, guys, let's get into shelter. You know what to say. Is it gone yet? Okay, guys. Dude, I don't know what the heck that was. It is a stupid tornado. Dude, why did they tell me tornadoes? It's not good, you know what to say. There's a bug, as you can see. There's a bug living inside me. Guys, I think I know why there's a bug in my mouth. Okay, the tornado might have blew it into my mouth. See, it's still there. Oh! Okay, guys. Okay, no, dude, that was not clickbait. Okay, I don't know. You're not sad. Okay, guys. So, dude, that was a joke. I'm so funny. Okay, so follow me, please. Dude, follow me. Dude, oh my god. Dude, why did you tell me this was Okay, guys. That's the joke. Okay, yeah. Okay, see, that was a joke. The bug is just there. Okay, guys, that is the end of the vlog. You're not sad. Hi. That's my mouth, as you can see. Okay, yeah, that's the end of the vlog, guys. Very, very handsome vlog today. Like, not sad. Okay, guys, that's the end of the vlog. Yeah, okay. Peace, cuz.